Navajo tacos. They're made with thick, soft fry bread. They're layered with all the tasty taco toppings. And that is hitting us up in the kitchen today. Our favorite Wendy Paul is here to show us how it's done. Okay. You promise this will become part of your family's dinner time rotation.
Absolutely. In fact, my oldest daughter asked for this for her birthday dinner. Every
That's
single
when you
year.
know it's a goodie.
So you know it's a good one. And I've been making this for like over 18 years.
Oh my gosh.
So
okay, tried and
true. It's a family staple. Yep.
Starting with the bread.
Starting with the bread. So this is a recipe that I got over 18 years ago at a cooking class. Can you believe that? A cooking class.
You took a cooking class?
I did. I've taken a lot and I love it.
And now she's teaching all the classes.
So this is an authentic Navajo recipe. Okay, so easy fry bread. Literally, you can't fail it. It's so simple.
Okay.
All right. So you're gonna take your fry bread and make it. I actually do it in my mixer now, but it's suggested to do it by hand so you get to know the dough.
Become well acquainted.
Become one with the dough.
Become one.
You're gonna want it. You see, it's not sticky at all.
Yeah.
That's what you're gonna want. That's what you're aiming for.
Okay.
So you want your dough to be mixed together well, but not sticky.
Okay.
Okay. And then I'm gonna do this slowly because I just whip them out as fast as I can.
Okay. Okay.
So you're gonna start from the center of your little like round.
And you're slowing it down for us. I get it.
Start to press it out. Okay.
Okay.
So just slowly press it out from the center.
It's like a little massage, you and your dough.
You and your dough. See, get to know your dough. That's gonna be like a new thing.
I love it.
Okay, so we're just gonna work our way out and just bring it into a bigger round. Do you see how it's getting a little bit bigger?
Yeah.
And just work it a little more, and it's lovely because it's not sticking to your fingers, okay? So you just keep going until you have your desired size or shape.
Bigger is better.
They don't have to be, bigger is always better. You don't have to have it perfectly round, so think rustic.
Okay.
All right, so here we are. Now here's another trick.
Wow.
So it doesn't get a huge bubble in the middle. You're gonna take your finger and just prick a little hole.
Oh, give it a belly button.
Right there, just give it like a little hole there. And that way, as it's cooking, it'll get some bubbles, but it won't be like this ginormous bubble.
Smart.
You want a little vessel to put your chili.
Yeah.
Right?
To hold the goods.
To hold the goods, the chili and all the goods. So you're just gonna fry it.
Okay.
Now oil is key. Don't use an olive oil because that's not good to fry things in. It gets really bitter and releases some chemicals when it's at a high heat. So I prefer grapeseed oil or coconut or even peanut.
Okay.
Okay, so those are good frying oils.
Yep.
So you're just gonna let it go. Do you wanna try one?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
Thanks for asking.
So what you need to do is just break off.
And this recipe will be on your website?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So just break off a good section. Start in the middle.
Yours is already pretty.
No, it's not.
Mine's very rustic. Is that the word you use?
It should be. It should be rustic,
okay.
right? Get your kids involved. My kids love shaping these, and it's fun to have them in the kitchen and doing something that they love.
What is happening? No, really.
Well, okay.
Did I get too much?
No, I don't think so.
You pulled yours out of the bowl and it was perfect. Hold on. I will not. I know you.
Get to know your dough.
I know you. We are friends.
Get to know your dough. But see, it doesn't have to be perfect. But I have made probably millions of these. So, I mean, I'm a little quicker.
Wendy's dough likes her more than mine likes me. It just melted into her hand. And mine's over here saying, fight me.
No, the more you do it, the easier it gets, the faster you'll be. That's with anything, right?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, and just prick a center.
Am I done?
Sure.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, you could stretch it out if you want to make it like stretch it. Look at that.
I just want it to be a pretty circle.
But
alas,
that's not even a circle.
It doesn't want to be a circle.
It doesn't have to be a circle.
It's saying, don't make me something I don't want to be, Brett.
Right. So just slide it in gently. Don't plop it. You'll get burned. Perfect. Okay. And then look at that.
Goldenness.
Ta-da! There's your great little Indian or Navajo fry bread.
Fantastic. Okay? All right, I'll babysit the bread and you tell me what's coming next.
Let's do the toppings. So grab some chili right here and let's top this one. Yeah, let's put it together.
So you did a chili.
This is my retreat chili. I made it at a retreat. Everyone loved it. So it's on my website, but I have a couple chilies. But any chili is good, right? Any kind of chili. All right, and then we have toppings, Brooke.
Oh my gosh, what are we doing?
So just leave those there for a minute.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, they're not quite ready.
Okay, fine.
We're just gonna let them have fun in the oil.
The bread.
So we've got cheese. We've got lettuce, sour cream, onions, tomatoes, cilantro, olives. You could even do salsa, guacamole. Those are our family's favorites. And then also too is we like to have a little bit of like extra fry bread for butter and honey.
Oh yeah, always.
For dessert. So I always have butter and honey out that the kids can put on fry bread for their dessert. And there you go.
You know what I love? Sometimes dinner, as we've talked about, and as we know as moms, hits hard, right?
Yes.
Come 4 o'clock. And really what you have here is you could convenience a lot of this.
Absolutely.
And make a great dough.
Right.
Like, you could pour yourself into one ingredient.
Put yourself into one thing.
Yeah.
And this dough, I made it a few hours ago, and it's still good.
It's
so
ready.
You could make it ahead. It literally takes 10 minutes to put together.
Nice.
Not any kneading.
Yeah.
So you're just stirring it, put it together, cover it, and then assemble it and have your kids help you.
Are we ready to flip yet?
Yeah, let's flip. Okay, go ahead.
I'm kind of excited. Because that's the effect. That's what we want. Oh, almost. I
Almost.
rushed it. I rushed
we
it.
We rushed it a little bit, but,
okay.
But you get the point. So
Yeah.
it puffs up as it cooks. It gets that nice little place, right, for all the goodness to go inside.
I'm making these this week.
It's so fun.
At our
Good.
house. Where can we get more recipes from you?
So follow me on Instagram, The Real Wendy Paul. We have lots of fun and lots of good food. So.
All right, this recipe will be posted for you on the Studio 5 website.
Yeah.
We'll link you over. Wendy's always sharing fantastic recipes like this, so be sure to give her a follow if you aren't already. Thank you, friend.
Thank you.